creating engaging content is essential for attracting and retaining viewers. Understand your audience and deliver value through well-researched topics and scripts. Optimizing video length to 20 to 30 minutes enhances average view duration. This strategy increases overall impressions and boosts the channel's visibility on the platform. The significance of using tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming channel names and content ideas is immense. This approach streamlines the creative process and fosters unique branding opportunities. Employing AI tools like Ideogram and ChatGPT greatly simplifies logo and banner creation. This not only saves time and effort for beginners, but also enhances the channel's overall aesthetic appeal. Properly setting up channel settings, including categorization and advanced features, is vital for optimizing visibility and compliance with YouTube policies. This ensures better engagement with your audience. Incorporating relevant keywords using tools like rapid tags can significantly improve a channel's discoverability on YouTube. This step is crucial for attracting the right audience and expanding content reach. Utilizing platforms like YouTube for inspiration can reveal trending story ideas. By analyzing views and descriptions, you can select effective narratives to build upon. Using ChatGPT to generate stories from specific prompts can yield fascinating results. These narratives should mirror real-life experiences to enhance credibility and audience engagement. Voice customization and editing are vital for enriching the storytelling experience. Adjusting language and accents in voiceovers can greatly impact audience connection and appeal. Adjusting prompts for AI image generation is essential for maintaining character consistency. Shortening prompts while retaining key details can significantly improve the quality of generated images. Creating a new account for image generation may be necessary when credits are exhausted. This approach allows for uninterrupted use of the AI tool. Specific prompts can lead to desired scenes with character interactions. Providing clear instructions on character positioning and actions is critical to achieving intended visual outcomes. Adjusting volume and image placement according to the voiceover is crucial, especially when using a limited number of images in a short video. This focus helps maintain narrative clarity. Adding transitions and filters can significantly enhance the video's atmosphere, making it visually appealing without overwhelming viewers. Simple transitions and shadow filters are advisable. Incorporating background music from copyright-free sources is essential to avoid potential issues. Websites like Bensound provide excellent options for free music that complements your video. Thumbnail creation is crucial for improving your video's visibility. A well-designed thumbnail can dramatically increase your video's click-through rate and attract more viewers. Leveraging tools like ChatGPT can help generate catchy titles and descriptions. These components are key for optimizing your video for better searchability on platforms like YouTube. Incorporating relevant tags boosts video discoverability. Utilizing tags related to your content allows YouTube to better understand and categorize your video for improved audience targeting.